Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Capcut is up to date and your device OS supports recent apps. Next, open your chosen VPN app, sign in and select a server. Pick a nearby country for better upload/download speeds. Once done, close Capcut completely and clear its cache or force stop the app. This ensures the app will reconnect using the VPN route when reopened. Doing these steps prevents IP or region caching from blocking the change. With the VPN enabled, verify your IP and region have actually changed inside the VPN app. This matters because Capcut reads your network location on launch. Then relaunch Capcut and allow all permission prompts so the app can access storage and network. Watch the media library and template store load. Slower initial loads are normal over VPN. If Capcut still appears tied to the previous region, switch VPN servers or toggle airplane mode to force the OS to rebind network interfaces. Finish by testing functionality. Download a template or export a short clip to confirm Capcut is using the VPN route. If you hit errors like stalled downloads or failed exports, clear Capcut data, restart your device, then connect VPN before reopening the app. This sequence forces a clean network session. Make sure to use a reliable VPN. Free services often have rate limits and unstable connections, which cause timeouts and region mismatches. One key tip: switch servers if a single server shows repeated issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.